Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 6 for CBSE Board, chapter number 13 Surface Areas and Volumes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from 13.2, question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. Okay. Now try to understand solution. So this is a cylindrical vessel and this is a article consisting cone and hemisphere immersed in the water. Okay. Now radius of cylinder is equal to 60 centimeter, height is equal to 180 centimeter, volume of cylinder is equal to, and therefore volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square into h. So volume is equal to pi into 60 into 60 into 180 cm cube. Statement number 1. The radius of cone is equal to 60 centimeter, height is equal to 120 centimeter. So volume of cone is equal to pi r square into h upon 3. Volume is equal to pi into 60 into 60 into 120 upon 3. Simplify this, you will get volume is equal to pi into 60 into 60 into 40 cm cube. This is statement number 2. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 60 centimeter and therefore volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 2 into pi into 60 into 60 into 60 upon 3 is equal to pi into 2 into 60 into 60 into 20 cm cube. Statement number 3. Now volume of water left is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So is equal to, so volume of water left is equal to pi into 60 into 60 into 180 minus into bracket pi into 60 into 60 into 40 plus pi into 60 into 60 into 40. So is equal to pi into 60 into 60 into 180 minus pi into 60 into 60 into bracket 40 plus 40 is equal to pi into 60 into 60 into 180 minus pi into 60 into 60 into 80. So is equal to pi into 60 into 60, take common, 180 minus 80 is equal to pi into 60 into 60 into 100 cm cube. So simplify this, 22 upon 7 into 60 into 60 into 100 upon, so you convert this into meter, so meter cube, so that is equal to 1,000,000 and gives you 22 upon 22 into 6 into 6 upon 7 into 100, and if you simplify this you will get 1.131 meter cube, and hence volume of water left is equal to 1.131 meter cube. Okay. Question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 millimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as inside measurement and pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. Solution. Diameter of cylindrical neck is equal to 2 centimeter. Radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Height is equal to 8 centimeter. And therefore volume is equal to pi r square into h is equal to pi into 1 into 1 into 8 is equal to 8 pi cm cube. Diameter of spherical part is equal to 8.5 centimeter and therefore radius is equal to 8.5 upon 2 centimeter and volume is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into 8.5 upon 2 into 8.5 upon 2 into 8.5 upon 2. If you simplify this, you will get pi into 8.5 into 8.5 into 8.5 upon 6 cm cube and therefore volume is equal to pi into 102.35417 cm cube. Number 2. Then volume of water it holds is equal to volume of neck plus volume of spherical part and is equal to 8 pi plus pi into 102.35417. In this case you take pi common into bracket 8 plus 102.35417, add this is equal to 3.14 into 110.35417, so is equal to 345.512. Okay, cm cube. So she is incorrect. So her answer is not correct. She is incorrect and actual answer is 347.512 cm cube. Okay. Exercise 13.3, question number 1. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of cylinder. Okay. Solution. Radius of sphere is equal to 4.2 cm and therefore volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. Simplify this, you will get 4 into 22 into 0.6 into 1.4 into 4.2 cm cube. So radius of cylinder is equal to 6 centimeter. Let height of cylinder be x and therefore volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square into h is equal to 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6 into x. Since metallic sphere is melted and recast into cylinder, so volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere and is equal to 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6 into x is equal to 4 into 22 into 0.6 into 1.4 into 4.2 Therefore x is equal to 4 into 22 into 0.6 into 1.4 into 42, 4.2 into 7 upon 22 into 6 into 6. Simplify this, you will get x is equal to 2.744 cm, and therefore the height of cylinder is equal to 2.744 cm centimeter. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.